Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I have a real life motivation video to share. I'm going to deep clean my oven, plus I'm going to declutter all of my thrifted decor. So I'm going to go throughout my entire home and declutter. My goal overall is to live a simplistic type of life. That's my goal and I'm striving for it. So hopefully y'all are motivated when you watch this video. First on the agenda is to tackle this oven. It's been years since I've deep cleaned my entire oven, y'all. Just to be quite honest, I cook and bake here daily and it was just a buildup. So overall, I'm just using this easy off cleanser. But let me know in the comments, what are some natural cleaning ingredients that I can combine to just create a more cleaner home. I noticed that although it's supposed to be fume free, like it says on the can, I still was choked up, y'all, spraying this spray here, but overall it did the job. Now my oven is quite old. It was original to the house and I did deep clean it then, but it's still not spotless, and I was hoping that it would come out spotless, so I am going to do a second round of deep cleaning this oven. But in the meantime, I'm just so happy I could check this off of my to-do list. Alright y'all, so deep cleaning my stove is complete. I love to conclude with a nice simmer pot here on top of my stove. My husband did pull the stove out as well and I cleaned the back. So overall, I can check this off of my to-do list. And like I said, I am going to revisit this stove just for extra deep cleaning. Next on the agenda is to declutter my entire home from all of my thrifted decor. Y'all know I enjoy thrifting. I always share my thrift hauls here on my channel, but lately I've been getting carried away, y'all, as y'all can see. But I've concluded that whenever I go thrifting from now on, I'm focusing on minimizing my decor, minimizing my lifestyle. So I'm on a journey, I should say. I'm not there yet, it's a process, but I'm just striving to live a simplistic kind of life. And I enjoy thrifting, y'all know I do, but lately I've just been trying to keep things quite simple. So when I thrift for decor now, it's not many items I want to pick up anymore. I want to be inspired by one particular piece and work my way around that. Now on to my hutch that I absolutely love. I purchased these copper pieces from Jacksonville, Florida, which I'm going to keep. And everything else on the top of my hutch, I'm going to keep as well. These plates here on the side are for my plate gallery wall that I have not yet completed, but it's going to come along. I love how everything look at the top, but this is the bottom, y'all, and it's a lot of stuff here. This here is a review that I was supposed to do from a company that gave me those candlesticks. I didn't do it, y'all. And this here is a beautiful dish that my late grandmother had that I'm keeping. My mom gave me this turkey dish here that I'm keeping as well for the Thanksgiving season. I thought that'd be perfect. And yeah, I have some other vintage pieces that I'm going to toss out, and some other stuff I'm going to keep as well. While I was straightening up inside of my home, I spotted my husband decluttering, I should say, his shed into an area. So overall, he did a pretty good job. We definitely have to revisit this area because we are planning on getting our driveway painted. So before we get our driveway painted, we're definitely going to declutter this area for the second time. But overall, he did a great job. I noticed that he tossed out a lot of junk. We have tons of paint samples that, y'all, we need to do some DIYs inside of our home. I know I want to paint inside of my door, so I just figured by using the extra paint that we have, although it's for exterior, it'll still work. Let me know in the comments, will it still work for an interior job? So yeah, we got a lot more work to do, but I'm just so happy that we're making a lot of progress, especially during the summer. And here I'm just showing y'all a little clip of our driveway in its current condition. Like I said, we're going to get it done after we finish this shed area. Yeah, I got to organize it and everything. So back into the house. Here's an overview of all of my thrifted decor. I'm going to redonate my husband when he's finished. We're going to take all of this stuff to the Goodwill. And here I'm just giving y'all a little close up of some of my things, like these beautiful vintage brass pieces. It was too large for my nightstand, and just some other stuff that I absolutely love still, but it's not really serving a purpose at this moment. It's definitely not serving a purpose. Now that our living room is cleared out, I feel so relieved, y'all, that we got rid of all of that stuff. I enjoy thrifting, like I said, plenty of times, but my goal is to live a simplified life along with thrifting. Let me know in the comments, are y'all in agreement? Thanks y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and was inspired to tackle projects along the way in your home. Whether they're big or small, do a little bit at a time to meet your goals. So again, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, y'all, make sure you hit that button, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. It'll definitely help out a lot. All right, y'all, so be blessed, and I'll talk with y'all in the next video.